So first we need to understand here environment setup, how your HTML is working. Is there any additional kind of softwares are required? As of now, you don't need to install any kind of thing. Why? Because HTML is executed in the browser itself. HTML is executed browser itself. Every browser level, every browser level execution engine is available. That execution engine is understanding your HTML. According to that, it is going to display in the browser itself. Okay. So first of all, you need to understand here every browser is nothing but a one HTML. Every browser is one HTML. So how we are going to uh, compare HTML and browser? Let us assume this is the browser. This is the browser. This browser level, two parts are there. One is what? Title bar. This is the title bar. Okay. So this title bar level, what it is there? This title bar level close button is there, right? This close button is available. Okay. Next, what it is there? Maximize or minimize kind of one it is available, right? Here, maximize and it is available, minimize kind of thing. After that, what it is there? Title is available. Title is available, right? New page like that it is available. So this is the browser, right? This browser I need to compare with my HTML. Every browser is a HTML. What is the proof? See this one. I'm going to show you the proof before going to comparing that one. I'm going to I'm opening the browser tab here. See this one. This is the browser. Mouse right button I need to click. Go to the view page source. This is the web browser page. View page source. If I'm going to click this one, what it is there? HTML is there. This is all HTML tags. This is the HTML. So that means every browser inside what it is? HTML only. Every browser is internally HTML only. That HTML and browser, now I'm going to compare it. Okay. So this starting point is nothing but a HTML. Starting point is HTML. This end point is nothing but a here. That is nothing but a closing tag. HTML closing tag. Okay. This HTML is how many parts are available? Two parts are available. What are the two parts? First one is header part. Every opening tag, there is a closing tag is available. There is a closing tag is available. This is the header section. This header section level, what it is there? Title, new page is there. This is called title. So how we are going to writing here? One text we are using like a title. The title text before and after we are using the anglers. That is called markup. We are going to hype that particular word title by using anglers less than and greater than. Okay. So what is the purpose of this one? To display the title in the browser level, right? So that is the purpose. What is the title? New page. Every opening tag, there is a closing tag is available. Some people might be getting doubt. Sir, you are going to write in the small letters. Can I use H is a capital? Afterwards are small, or else I'm going to writing all are capital letters. Is it okay? Yes, it is not at all a case sensitive. You can use all our capitals. You can use all are small. You can use camel keys. Whatever the case you want, you can use. But meaningful tag if you are going to using, why? Because HTML level, some fixed tags are available. Fixed tags are available. Suppose if you are going to writing employee tag, there is no employee tag. Okay. Suppose there is a product tag, there is no product tag. So HTML level, some fixed tags are available. We can call as a HTML is one tag, head is one tag, title is one tag, right? So this is the tags are fixed. By using these kind of tags, you can display the information to the browser. Okay. So this is the header part level we are using. Sir, only we are using header level title only. Is there any other kind of tags we can use? Yes, you can use absolutely. Sometimes styling purpose, style tag we are using. Sometimes validation purpose, script tag we are using. Sometimes we are going to using the link tags we are using. Sometimes we are using the meta tags we are using. Like that, different kind of tags we are going to using header level. But this is the first session, right? So that the reason here I'm going to provide only title. But your understanding purpose, just now I'm open the view source. See this one here, link tag is there or not? It is linking the CSS files. Okay, here meta tags are available. Search engine optimization. Sometimes people are going to searching the Google some sites. So whenever you are going to searching, lot of links are coming, right? So a lot of links are coming. For example, React is training, like that. If you are going to searching, some links are coming in the first. Why it is going to get the first one? That one only. People are going to using Google Analytics and search engine optimization, company website level meta tags. People are going to using more searching keywords. People are going to attach to the meta tags. That is the search engine optimization kind of thing. Don't worry much more on that one. After that, here JavaScript, right? JavaScript tag are available and style tag. So here, why I'm going to opening here is header. HTML is a two-part. Header part level, title is there, link is there, meta tag is there, script tag is there. Another one is style also you can use. This is the header part. Header part means browser level. What is the header part? What is the header part? See this one, view source page extension, like that it is showing, right? So that is nothing but a header part level title session. This one. We will see that one. We are going to writing our own kind of HTML. Then you can get the more clarity. Okay. So this browser level remaining part is nothing but a remaining session is nothing but a body part. So here, so another kind of part is what? Body part. This body we are going to closing here. Try to habituate opening tag immediately. You need to close that one. So this is the structure we are going to using and developing the HTML pages. HTML pages we are going to developing. Okay. So HTML basically Berners-Lee is a founder of the HTML. The HTML language was developed in the 1991. HTML was developed for displaying the information on the internet in organized manner. Organized manner. So important points I'm going to writing here, your reference purpose. Anyhow, I'm going to sharing handwritten PDF document. Handwritten PDF document. That document level document is there and assignments also there. So homework type, some questions also I will share. You need to work on that one. So basically HTML is, what is the HTML? What is the HTML? We are going to discuss it right till now. What is the HTML? Hyper text markup. We are going to say markup language. Okay. First, try to habituate my way of teaching. Slowly you can get the confidence. Yes, this fellow is saying something. I can able to do something, right? That kind of attitude is there. Whatever I'm going to teaching, you can able to understand. Okay. So HTML is what? Hypertext markup language. Okay. What is the purpose of this one? What is the purpose of this one? By using this one, you can create web pages and web application. HTML is used to create web pages and web applications. Okay. Next point is it's a very easy to understand and learn. Okay. It is very easy to understand and learn. Okay, learn. Next, who is the founder of this one? That is the point also I'm going to mentioning here. So, Sir Tim Berners-Lee. This is the person founder of the HTML. Okay. Next, HTML language was developed in what? 1991. HTML language was developed in 1991. 1991. So this is the history. So what are the futures? What are the futures? What are the futures of HTML? You need to understand what are the futures. First one is simplicity. First one is what? Simplicity. What is the meaning of simplicity? HTML is easy to learn and use, right? That is nothing but a simplicity. So simplicity is nothing but HTML is easy to learn and use. That is the simplicity. Second one is what? It's support. Support. So what is the support? Something if you are stuck, if you want to Google, if you are go to the community, the people are going to provide the solution. So that kind of support is there. Support. Support. It is supported. Another kind of way also you can say support, not only for problems. This HTML is support different kind of browsers also, right? Supported by all browsers, not only for Chrome, Mozilla, Mozilla, or you can say Edge, right? So Safari, like that, different kind of browsers it is going to support it. So that is a support it there. And speed. Okay, it is lightweight and fast. What is the meaning of lightweight? We need to use the weigh machine. It is lightweight. We are not using weigh machine. Lightweight means it is not consuming much more memory. It is not consuming much more memory. That is the reason I'm going to say lightweight and fast. Generally, other languages you need to compile. You need to compile. Once it is compiled, it is execution purpose another kind of command, right? So here it is taking the time, other languages. But here, once you are going to write the HTML, simply if you are going to open the browser, it is going to show in the output immediately. Okay. And a tracking, sometimes people are going to using websites are tracking purpose. Okay. Tracking websites. Tracking website, easy to be found by search engines. Any kind of search engines level, your website indexing purpose, Google indexing purpose. Whenever you are going to searching some kind of sites, only it is getting first, right? Why? Because people are using meta tags and searching keywords. So that's the reason Google is indexing so that your site go to the top level and it is going to showing the every searching level. So that is the purpose tracking websites. Tracking website easy to, I'm going to mentioning here one point, easy to be found by search engines. Okay. So another one is integration. These are all features. Integration. What is the integration? Easy to integrate with other programming languages. For example, user interface front-end designing purpose, even Java, Python, .NET, whatever it is useful to design the front end. So that is the reason I'm going to say easy to integrate with other programming languages. I'm going to say here other programming languages. And error handling. So something it is going to get the error, even it is showing the output, but developer tools are available. Easily you can able to handle that one. Error handling. So error in the code will not crash the site. Suppose something goes wrong, it is not at all stopping your website. Okay, some other kind of languages, something goes wrong, it is stopping, right? So, but it is going to continue. That's the reason I'm going to say these are the features in the HTML. But even though every language level, some drawbacks are there, right? What are the drawbacks in the HTML? Few people are done MCA, few people are already having some kind of programming language. Anyone can tell me what are the HTML drawbacks? This HTML level main drawback is it is a static. First one is static. What is the meaning of static? What is the meaning of static? Static means fixed. Suppose company website is there, even 100 times if you are going to opening same kind of content only, it is not at all changing, right? The content is fixed. It is not changing. That is called static. Okay. HTML can be used only to develop static web pages. This is the one drawback. Dynamic kind of thing you cannot able to use. One more drawback is lack of security. Lack of security. Lack of security. So security is terrible as a simple JavaScript code can compromise the security. Otherwise, terrible and simple JavaScript code can be. I'm going to make it a simple kind of words. That is reason security is terrible as a terrible. That's it. I don't want to make it as a bigger kind of sentence. Why? Because small kind of sentence, small words you can able to remember very easy. That's the reason I'm going to shortcut. And another one is uh, it may simple. It look like a simple, but the amount of code drastically it is going to increasing. Suppose if you are going to developing any kind of website, sometimes that page level multiple things we are going to using, right? So that is the cases level. Some people are going to feel it as a complex. Complex means it may look simple, but the amount of code drastically increases. Okay, so that is another kind of point. Next, it's not a programming language. It's not at all a programming language. You can use this one and designing an application. That is not work out. Only for displaying purpose only. Okay, as HTML not a programming language, it is not possible to control the flow of the execution, store and work on data, or do the task. A programming language is capable of that one, but HTML is not like that. HTML is only it is going to display. So that's the reason I'm going to say not a programming language. This is one kind of drawback. So it cannot control the flow. That is one kind of drawback. And Another kind of major drawback is styling. Styling. HTML is doesn't having own kind of styling. On top of that one CSS you need to use. Okay. So makeup kit is required. Otherwise, look and feel is not good. So customizing views are not possible independently. CSS is needed. So that is the one kind of drawback. So here customizing views are not possible. Not possible independently. Independently. CSS is needed to give the website a good look. A good look. A good look. Okay. So this is the HTML level drawbacks.